I have to rejoin the whole entire thing just because of shift lock. I just saw the largest poop down there. I don't see any. I'm standing on it. I don't want to go down there. Yeah, I'm good. Noah, well, which scoop can I get you for? Hey Noah, check out these sweet deals. What do? I buy something? Where's the shop at? Oh, power ups!
Ups, how?
A new backpack. Oh my gosh, I found this little guy in the sewers. I get poop in my pants. Leave, I don't want.
Oh, and I just want to say I wish all of you guys happy Easter this weekend.
I don't wish them any Easter. Look at this.
Hope you have fun. Hopefully it's not raining where you are.
Someone stole my sewer pass. Well, let's. I'm not.
Hey kid. Welcome to the sewers. Where there's poop
Oh my
everywhere.
gosh, there is a classical poop.
Classical poop.
Oh, speaking of hard.
I have a question. Why do people even poop on the streets?
I don't even think. I think that this is a sewer that
That
erupted with poop.
Or this is just back in the old days where people threw poop out their windows.
I mean, yeah, there's a lot of poop near the window side, so you never know. This may be World War II. I should probably sell my poo-poo.
There's poo-poo right next to poo-poo. This is weird. Why would people play this? Why is it on the popular play?
It wasn't even on the popular game page. It was my recommended.
Oh, is it recommended?
They recommend that this game was pretty sweet.
For you.
Well,
It actually probably is.
Look at this. Look at these graphics, man. You already know a game with this many graphics is already going to be good. Oh, whoa. Woo. Woo. Apparently, seeing all this good stuff.
Poop fight, I see. Oh, she's gonna get sneaky. Do you think you're gonna be able to shift out of it now?
I'm not shifted, it's a gear.
Man, you're good.
Oh, out of poo.
Wait,
did I actually get rid of all of my poo for that?
Seriously, what's your backpack at?
0 now. Apparently, I had to get rid of my actual poo for that. Well, at least I got a few hits on that. Oh, I get stuff for that. That was actually pretty profitable.
You won! You won!
Poo scoop, poo's thrown. Apparently, I am like winning right now. Ooh. Oh, whoa! Woo! Woo! I just saw the biggest poop down there.
What?
I should probably get on the leaderboards for my
Why do you ghost?
Poo fight wins. Woo.
Oh, sure.
Where am I? Pokemon?
Pokemon? Why would you be in Pokemon?
Ooh, levels.
What?
I just had a cough. Someone should do all these sewer eruptions. I've never seen a poo that size before.
I didn't even see anything.
It's gonna take a day to get these stains out, baby.
Oh, God.
Also, he hasn't uploaded a video in a day, and I told him to upload a video, so I said to record without his permission if he doesn't start uploading. Because apparently, he likes to get off schedule. Oh, poo fight! Yeah, apparently again. No. Oh wait, I'm wasting my poop. Where are the actual people? Apparently, winning the fights are good. I can get on the leaderboards, man. Why are you playing on your alt account? Apparently, he's too big of a fan of Karaberry or whoever that is. But I'm seriously probably just going to do the poo fights. Because those seem to be a good profit. Reminds me of a show snubbly. And smelly. You should sell your poop.
I got poop on me.
Not yet. Love living in Poopburg. Going to poop again.
Come to area, there's a poop.
Whoa, where did you go, man? Oh, did you need to sell your poo-poo? Oh, I'm out of poo. But hopefully I'll win this poo fight. Wait, is that a truck full of poo? I want that truck full of poo. Wait for me! Do I get anything inside of this? Oh my gosh, I won! I'm starting to think those are chocolate. Of course they aren't. That is indeed poo-poo. And will always be the poo-poo. Until there is no more poo-poo.
There'll always be poop on the ground. Good.
Did you just say you went poo-poo?
Oh.
Yay, I reached level 2! How exciting! Yay! I got a wooden spoon pooper. A wooden spoon scooper. I can't, my scoop isn't strong enough. Why? Why can't I just have a good scoop in my poop? I love living in Poopburg. I grew up right around Smellyville. Sounds pretty accurate to me.
I see one of your friends got restricted.
Of course they got restricted. My friends can't stop getting restricted.
It says you left the game.
No, I didn't. You left the game. Wait, where's all the people at? Oh, there they are.
Yep. It said you're not even on the. Come on. It won't let me join you.
Of course, Poof Fight ended with me winning as always. Why won't it let me join? Well, I guess that is going to be all for this video. Thanks for checking out Pooville with me. Poopburg.io, or I guess we'll leave you there.
Again,
Bye-bye, little poopies.
Again, I wish you all a happy Easter.
No, who cares?